A 45-year-old man. 1 year ago, during the summer, he was riding in a bus. The air inside was hot and stuffy, so he sweated all over. When the window was opened, a cool breeze blew directly on him. That night, he developed soreness and pain in his right arm. Despite receiving treatment for a year, there was no improvement. The patient's tongue was pale red and moist. His pulse was deep, slow, and wiry. His appetite, bowel movement, and urination were all normal. The physician believed that when the patient was sweating, wind and cold had invaded the skin and muscles, causing stagnation of qi in blood circulation in those layers. For the patient, this stagnation manifested as localized blockage of qi and blood in the right arm. The physician prescribed Guì Zhī Tāng to promote the smooth circulation of qi and blood. Prescription, 1-day dose. Cinnamon twig, Guì Zhī, 10 grams. White peony root, Bai Shao, 10 grams. Honey fried licorice root, Jie Gun Kao, 6 grams. Fresh ginger, Sheng Jiang, 5 slices. Red jujube, Hong Zhao, 5 pieces. All ingredients were mixed and decocted into a medicinal soup. The liquid was divided into 2 portions and taken twice a day. The patient was instructed to eat a bowl of warm, thin rice porridge after taking the medicine, then lie in bed covered with a quilt to induce mild sweating. After taking the decoction for 2 consecutive days, the soreness and pain in his right arm completely disappeared. Notes. 1. Qi. In traditional Chinese medicine, qi refers to an extremely fine, dynamic substance that continuously circulates within the human body. It includes the breath qi of respiration and serves as the driving force for all physiological activities, such as metabolism. The cessation of qi's movement signifies the end of life. Some forms of qi are invisible and only exist while a person is alive, for example, the qi involved in breathing. Reflection. How does this case differ from a scholar's miraculous recovery, cured of severe fever, chills, headache, and hematuria with just 2 herbs?